Wall Street crash, massive tech stock plunge and recession fears. Earthquake on Wall Street. The Dow plummeted over 800 points. The Nasdaq fell by 4%, and recession fears sent investors into a panic. But why did this crisis happen? What impact will it have on the economy and your investments? Let's take a detailed look. Today, there was no safe haven for investors. Everything from airlines to major tech companies suffered massive losses. Here's where things stood at market close. S&P 500, down 2%. Dow Jones dropped over 800 points, more than 2%. Nasdaq plunged by a massive 4%. So how did this crisis begin? In an interview on Sunday, former President Donald Trump was asked whether the U.S. was heading toward a recession. He described it as a transition period. However, for investors, this explanation wasn't enough. Panic set in, leading to a sell-off in stocks. The market does not like uncertainty, and right now, uncertainty is at its peak. Tesla, down 15%. Nvidia, down 5%. Alphabet and Meta, both down 4%. Tech stocks, which were driving Wall Street's rally, took the biggest hit today. Tesla plunged 15%, while Nvidia, Alphabet, and Meta also suffered heavy losses. But what's the real reason behind this? Three major factors are currently pressuring the market. 1, U.S. trade policies are making products more expensive. 2, rising costs are proving harmful to the economy and consumers. 3, Federal Reserve policies have made borrowing more expensive. And on April 2nd, additional trade tariffs are set to take effect, which has investors worried that things might get even worse. What's next? Trump met with major business leaders today, but will he ease his policies? Experts remain skeptical. According to Kathleen Brooks, research director at XTB, if Trump doesn't soften his tariff policies, the stock market could face even more pressure. And that raises the biggest question. Is the U.S. really heading toward a recession? Economic data doesn't yet clearly indicate a recession, but investors fear that it could happen in the coming months. And sometimes, just the fear alone is enough to bring the market down. What should you do? Don't panic. Market fluctuations are normal. Panic selling can be harmful. Diversify your investments. Spreading investments across sectors can help minimize losses. Keep an eye on the Federal Reserve. If interest rates rise further, the market could become even more unstable. One thing is certain, April 7th could be a decisive day for the global economy. What's your opinion? Do you think this is a temporary crisis? Or are we really heading toward a major recession? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can stay updated with the latest financial news. This was Vivid Vox News, bringing you the latest in financial updates. See you in the next video.